Okay, today we're going to take a look at a quick look at a nice little commemorative Zippo. Alright, this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and on the back it says Windproof Zippo. Of course, this was made in the USA in Bradford, PA. Nothing special about the box. Regular insert. There is the Windy Lady. Kind of a gold finish. And it says on it, Windproof Zippo, lighter, and 1982 is down there. Commemorative lighter, what does that say, I think it says 1932. Yeah, it says 1932 to 1982, which is about 50 years. And this is on a steel case with a steel insert. Pretty sure that's street chrome. And even though this says 1982, it was manufactured in J of 16, which is October of 16. Pretty good stampings on this one. Nice and crisp and clear. Fires up pretty good. But is it really windproof? Alright, I got a little test over here. There's a fan. Turned on the fan and we're going to test this windproof Zippo. I don't know how fast that fan is going. It's probably 10 miles an hour. And it put it out. Let's try it once more. Okay, that time it stayed lit. So it's fairly windproof. Not 100% windproof. Well, let's do a drop test with this thing lit. Okay, passed the drop test pretty good. So that is the Windy Lady 1982 commemorative. Here's another Zippo, and it's the identical artwork on the front with a few exceptions. There's some more lines there, and she's got a scarf on. But it's pretty much the identical Zippo. I think Zippo makes probably 2 dozen of these Windy Lady type Zippos. They're all pretty collectible. So there it is. Pretty nice Zippo, and definitely worth a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.